Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix backup stuck problems on WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. If you're using your WhatsApp application and you want to back up your data, then it is a very simple process. You can simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on Settings. Now from the settings page, just tap on Chats and you will see the chat backup option at the bottom. If you tap on it, then you can select your Google account that you can use to backup. Simply tap on the Google account and then select your appropriate Google account. Once you select your account, you can simply tap on the backup button. This will then begin the backing up of messages. However, if this process doesn't continue forward, then the first thing to check is whether your internet connection is working fine. Just open up any other application that requires the internet to work. If this application is running just fine, then your connection is not to blame. The next thing to try is to clear your data. Simply open up your phone settings and then tap on Apps. From the Apps page, scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Once you find it, just tap on it, and then from the settings page, you can scroll down and tap on Storage. Now from the storage page, try clearing your cache first and see if this works. If it doesn't, then you can tap on Clear Data and then the delete button to delete your WhatsApp data. After this, you will need to log into your account once again, but then your backup will start to work. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix your backup being stuck problem on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.